Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today's video will be a crazy one because I'm going to be making it freeze. Yes, you hear it right, this is going to be the freezing test for the S23 Ultra to see how this device is going to survive in the freezer for at least 2 hours. Basically, we already know that these particular devices are IP68 water resistant, but now let's see how the freezing test is going to be for this particular device. I know that it's going to be expensive, but let's see how it's going to be gone. So basically what I'm going to do is to put my S23 Ultra in a tub in here, and then what I'm going to do is place it in the freezer. So as you can see, I'm just making it a little bit brighter. It's a huge device, so let's see how it's going to survive in that particular test. So I have already poured the water in here, and as you can see, the water is not much in here. So let's put some more water in here so it can be submerged into the water. Now it's completely submerged into water, and there are some bubbles in here as well. Now what I'm going to do is place that particular phone in the freezer. Here's my freezer in here, so let's open it up, and the freezer is open, and let's put that particular device in here. Oh shit, it's in here. So let's see how it survives. Basically, if you look at the battery of that particular device, is going to be around 52%. So let's see how it's going to test. Basically, I just need to grab my phone, other phone, to make the timer turn on. So basically my iPhone 12 is here, and I'm just going to turn on the timer, stopwatch timer, for that particular test to see how it's going to survive in the freezer. So I'm going to check out that particular device in around 30 minutes, then 1 hour, and then see. Alright guys, it has been 30 minutes, and I'm curious to see how the device has been in here, whether it's alive or dead, or we have to see in here. I'm just opening up the door and see. Alrighty, the device is still alive, and as the Samsung claims, that device going to be submerged in 30-meter depth, 1.5-meter depth for 30 minutes. It will survive. Yes, it's not going to be 30 minutes, but still it's surviving. So let's take this device to do its thing for about 1 hour, and then check out how the device has been formed. So guys, here we are at 4 hours and 26 minutes to see how the device is going to be responding in the freeze test. So let's open up the freezer and see what is going to be the result. Right now it's been 4 hours, and boy, it's been completely frozen. Just like looking that on the front layer is not as strong, but the bottom layer is going to be looking like pretty hard. So let's grab this up and move into the room and see what this device is gonna be looking like. So I'm really much surprised to see the upper layer is going to be pretty hard. As you can see here, the water can be done here. So let's take a look and get a nice looking, you can say, thumbnail for the device. So let's see what is going to be the result. Here we have the S23 Ultra in here. So I'm going to make this
charging full.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty hard. Just need to do it like that so we can get our device. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, the upper layer is kind of not strong, but the inner layer is kind of stronger. You can feel it. Oh my god, it's too much cold in here. Too much cold. I need to. It's so much cold. Okay, guys, I have to take it to outside and see how I can grab this bad boy out. So wait for that. So guys, here we are outside and let's see how this device is going to grab some ice out of here. Let's see. Okay, here is the device, and boy, look at that. Look at that. The phone is right now in here. I want to take some thumbnail. Let's see which is going to be the best one. It's freaking hot. It's freaking cold here. I just need to grab something to make it pop out from the box. As you can see. Oh, so let's see. There's another layer in here, I guess. So I need to bring the device back to life. See how it has performed. Oh my god, it's too cold. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm going to be finding another area which is outside of my house, on the top of my house. So let's pour some water in here. It's hot water right now. Let's see how do I bring this. Oh my god, look at that. The ice is melting right now. And yeah, oh my god, look at that device. It's still running like a new one. As you can see, uh, let me turning the water off, and I guess there is no ice in here. So boy, it has been working. As you can see, everything is going to be working. I just am going down and wiping that up so you can see the device and test some other functionality like cameras. There are stuff like that, so let's see how it's going to perform. Anyway guys, this is great looking device. The matte finish is looking awesome. I will see you in just a minute to clean this up. So guys, I'm just wiping up my device, and as you can see, it's still cold right now just because the fact it has been in the freezer for around 4 hours. So definitely there are certain things we have to test it out. Yes, the first thing has been mentioned here is that in the charging port and in the speaker you might have something in there, so be careful while charging. Here it's mentioned. Where is that? Okay, here it mentions that check your ports and speakers. It's giving us a warning right now, so I will be testing that in a short minute. And everything has been cleaned right now. There's some stuff available in here. I'm just tapping it here to let you know that this is going to be looking great device. Okay, everything is working fine in here. No you can say nothing is going to be seeing any kind of a weirdness in here. Everything is working fine. Now let's see the cameras first, and as you can see, the camera is working right. Let's see. Yes, the camera is working fine. Let's see the microphone. Hello, this is a test for the phone camera to test out. So let's see how it's performed. As you can see, we have the speaker test out. So let's see how it's performed. Okay, let's find out the speaker of this particular device. Okay, let's connect it to internet. Okay, back online. Let's find out any sound. Now, the speakers are working fine. I didn't find any kind of blurriness in the device cameras, and the sound quality is going to be great. I will be testing the charging port. Wait for a moment. So guys, the final thing we have to test in here is the charging of the device, whether it's going to be working or not. It's giving me a warning of the unplug charger immediately, just because the fact there is moisture in there. Okay guys, one thing that has been left is the S Pen, and it's also included some kind of a moisture in here. So let's test it out. Yes, there are some drops in here for any kind of a water in here. So let's check out the charging port and see whether it has been gone, the warning has been gone, or yes, the charging is working fine, everything is fine, the S Pen is working. So definitely this is going to be a great test. This is my first time doing any kind of a freeze test on my channel, so definitely it's giving me boost. And in future videos I will be using different phones, like iPhones 14 Pro Max might be introduced, and we could make any kind of freezing test for S23 Ultra and the iPhone 14 Pro Max in coming days if this video get a response. And you guys, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.